Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your DNS server on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and go to your search bar, and in here, search for settings. From the best matches, just open up settings. Then from here, just go inside network and internet. Then from here, just go inside view network settings. Then under network adapters, you're gonna find all of your network adapters. I'm currently using Ethernet. If you have Wi-Fi, just select that. I'll select my Ethernet. And from here, you need to click on View Additional Properties. And from here, under DNS Server Assignment, just click on Edit and change it from automatic to manual. Then just turn on the IPv4. And inside Preferred DNS, just type your DNS. I'm just gonna use Google's DNS server and click on Save. And done. And basically that is how to change your DNS server on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.